Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the letter T. The letter T. This is the uppercase T, also called the capital letter T. This is the lowercase t, also called the small letter t. T is for tiger. Tiger. T is for tomato. Tomato. T is for tree. Tree. T is for tub. Tub. T is for train. Train. T is for tap. Tap. T is for ten. Ten. Now let's see what all we learned for letter T. 10. Tap. Train. Tub. Tree. Tomato. Tiger.